Tired of spending hours building presentations from scratch? Let's dive into Gamma AI and see how it can create stunning presentations in minutes. First, head over to Gamma AI's website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New button to start a new presentation. You'll see options to generate from scratch, turn text into a presentation, or import an existing file. For this tutorial, we will be using the Generate option. Next, enter your presentation topic into the text box. The more specific you are, the better the results. Gamma AI will then generate an outline for your presentation. You can easily review, edit, add, or remove sections to tailor it to your needs. Now, choose a theme that matches your brand or the overall tone of your presentation. Gamma AI offers a variety of stylish themes. Gamma AI will then generate a complete presentation with text, images, and layouts based on your outline and chosen theme. You can easily customize each slide by editing the text, adding images, videos, and even interactive elements. Finally, click the Present button to showcase your stunning, AI-powered presentation. And that's it. You've created a presentation using Gamma AI.